Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Courtnificent back here with your guitar interpretations. Today we're doing a throwback. It's All Back by Chris Brown. I really love this song. And I remember when I was learning guitar, I wanted to play it, but then as you go up the ladder of learning chords, you realize it's actually a simple song. So it's easy and hard at the same time, in the sense that the chords are very straightforward. It's just G, D, E minor, C, right? But then the way he plays it, or like the way they played it on the song, sounds very sophisticated. So we're gonna go through all of that. But yeah, let's get right into it. So for the chorus we're playing G, E minor, D, G, C. I want it all, yeah, I want it all. So these are the same chords. This is the part where they do the guitar solo kind of thing. Okay, so for this we're playing a C, right? The beginning of that solo starts with a. Yeah, I want it all back. That's a C. Hold on. Let me just confirm. Yeah, I want it all back. Okay, so it starts with an E minor chord, right? Starts with a. So from E minor we go to D, and then we're using the lower string. Then we come back to E minor, and now we're using the third fret as our lead. And then 2, we come to C, and then G. Now we're using 2 open as our fret. Come back to D, third fret, slide to 2, and then come back to C. Open again on G, D, E minor with third fret, slide to 2, down to C. So that's your solo, and then we're gonna come back to the verse. Alright, let's start the beginning of the song, right? Right, that jack though is essential in the whole song because they kept using it. It's E minor, D, G, D, C. Okay? So that's E minor, D, G, D, C. Alright? And then we go to If I Had a Moment. Okay, so that's C to D. And then that. Right, we're back on C. Na 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 na. C. D. And then A minor. D, G, D, C. Lock it all up. C. The way to keep. D. C. A fool for So you can play this on the guitar, or you can sing it to sound like. Go to D. Yeah, I want it all. C. Na 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 D. Na 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 na. This is the E minor, D, G, D, C. Okay, now if you've listened to the song before, you definitely know how to play it from the tips that I've given you. If you're not familiar with the chords that I'm using though, you can check out my chord video to learn how to hold them. I did a separate video for that, and then you can come back to this video for your illustrations. Otherwise, yeah, enjoy the tutorial and do share it if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this.